Hello and welcome back to the Cargo channel, and see what welcomed me this morning. Turn signal, left, front. I'll tell you, I love fixing small things like this myself, so I'm just gonna go and grab the right bulb. I already took this one out. I'm gonna go to Pep Boys, buy the right bulb, and I'm gonna show you how to change it. Alright, let's go. Okay, so here's what the light bulb looks like. I don't know the code for it, so I'm just gonna look by shape and color. So let's go around. Okay, I think that's what we're looking for. Let's see if the front desk says the same thing. Okay, so I don't know if this could focus, but the correct number on these is 2357, and here is the 2357 bulb. To get to the left signal light on the W211, it's real easy. You can just put your hand in and unscrew the cap, put the other one, but we need the left, the driver's side one. So to do that, you will have to remove the little water tank. To do that, simply disconnect the air intake tube. And then there is a little screw that I just lost earlier today when I was taking the bulb out, and a clip. So you just pull that out, make sure it's safe, because I dropped mine right underneath there and I can't find it. So I actually went to Mercedes and I get a redesigned, updated one, which I'm gonna put afterwards. So first thing first, we're gonna remove this little reservoir for the coolant. Very simple, just pull it out. Now it's hot because the car was running, and just put it on the side. So like this, now you have an access to go, and here right underneath there is the socket. And okay, let's pull one of these out. All right, pull one of these bulbs out. Get the socket. It's very simple. One of them goes high, one of the little bumps go low. You just check which one goes where on your socket and you rotate it, and after that it's as simple as putting it back in. So let me get you off the tripod. Put your hand right in there, back to where the thing goes, and you just rotate it. Voila, just like that. Let's turn the flashers on and see if it works. Alright, the flashers are on and the bulb works perfectly fine. Alright, bulb is in and working, and I want to stress something out. If you've done this and you removed everything, just make sure the bulb works before you put everything back together. Otherwise you may have to redo it, because sometimes the bulbs are faulty. And here you just to return the water tank for the coolant in, you just slide it into its little sockets on the bottom, and then we're gonna use that new updated screw. Okay, it's not that easy with one hand, but here we go. I'm pulling it out. So this should be plug and play. Alright, this is redesigned. The previous one had a screw, this one has like a button. You just put it in and press it, LDC, and it should hold everything tight. Very nice. Alright, cool. And to pull it out, I guess you just pull that little tab up and then remove it. Now we're going to reconnect real quick the air intake tube. Alright, goes in and goes in. Alright, make sure the intake is connected well from both sides and it doesn't go anywhere. And then that's it. I'm just gonna remove this and this, and we're closing the hood. If you guys liked today's video on how to change the signal light of the Mercedes W211, hit the thumbs up. I know you want it, I know you do. And if you like the channel, why not consider subscribing? Hit that bell button too, and I promise a lot more videos are coming. Have a great day.